Templates are really not that scary, and they are one of the things that makes C++ such a high-performing language for you to write applications in. They check what's going on at compile time. When you try to put an inappropriate type into a collection or add it to a running total, the compiler complains, not at runtime. So you can't execute the code that has the problem that's violating type safety. And at runtime, there's no need to check. It wouldn't have compiled if it wasn't a type-safe behavior. That's why your application can be so fast when you use templates. But the productivity is really pretty dramatic. As long as your types are compatible with the template you're using, it can really package up, well, just about everything you learn as an undergraduate. And in some cases, you barely even notice that you're using the template. If you happen to have a type that doesn't work with the template as written, because you're missing an operator, because you're missing a member function, because your template is special in some way, then you can provide an operator if that's appropriate, or write a template specialization and handle the special cases of your code that the person who wrote the template didn't know was coming. Now, despite the fact I wrote templates in my demos, you are not going to start by writing templates. You're going to start by using them. I let you see them being written so that you understand they're very simple and they're not that magical. The power is really in the language feature, not in the fact that someone went and wrote a 1,000-line template. That said, the templates in the standard library are more complicated than the super simple ones that I showed you. They work with special edge cases. They check for errors. They understand that sometimes additions might overflow or other unusual circumstances might arise. Using a template saves you a ton of development time, whether it's for collections, whether it's for algorithms, whether it's for simple mathematical transformations. You shouldn't be writing that code. You're hardly the first person who ever came across the idea of, well, we could have a hash table. Obviously, any code you don't have to write but that you can count on working is a big benefit. So with templates, you get that library power without taking a performance hit. They are probably the best thing about C++ when you compare it to other languages, and now you know how they work.